Morning, y'all. Today is Monday. Sun is out. About to go get these nails done. Yeah, you see that? Yeah, my battery's about to die and I need to get over. So I would, bro, why would you do that? I'm liking to do things on the weekdays because not too many people are out. I actually appreciate that. I don't know. My camera's acting weird. So I need to reset the settings on that. But yeah, y'all, this is starting a new vlog. If you're new here, my name is Jayla. Don't forget to like, comment, hit that subscribe button. If you're not new here, thank you so much for watching, supporting, all that. I greatly appreciate it. So I'm in Aritzia trying linen pants on, and these are considered short. Like what? It's not gonna work. And then these are way too short. What's up, y'all? So we are back. I had to reset my settings, so I felt like I couldn't like really vlog yesterday because my settings were being weird and the footage just wasn't going to be good. But today's Tuesday. We are currently at Starbucks. I made like a TikTok / reel, so we are going to edit that and post it, and then that's gonna be like my first like vlogging on my phone. And it was actually like at first, like, I was in my head about it, and honestly, it's like nobody's worried about you. Like, nobody's worried about you. I was like doing it in the gym, and like I was like setting my camera up, and like people were glancing, but like nobody's really worried about what you're doing. So if you're somebody out there that's trying to like create content, like, just do it. Nobody's worried about you. Like, they might look at you and like try to be nosy, but then they'll just move on. Like, it's really not that big of a deal. And I have to keep telling myself too, because sometimes I just be getting in my head. Oh, I got my nails done. These are like yellow chrome, like perfect for like Easter, and then the fact that it's spring. Then my nails are really like growing out. Like, I've been getting gel builder, and like these are my actual real nails, so I'm pretty proud about that. And then what else? I feel like I got like some things to update you guys on. Oh, I had a Pilates class yesterday. I had it with like my favorite instructor. She's like this young girl, but like really like cares about, I feel like she cares about what she does. Like, she makes sure you have the correct form. She like demonstrates it really well, or kind of like explains it really well. And I feel like other instructors that I've like had, like, they'll just like tell you what to do, but it's like, this is a level 1 class. So we're all relatively new here. We're not level 2, we're not level 3. So you can't just like keep like just telling us what to do. Like, we need to also be able to like look at you and then like mimic what you're doing, not just you telling us what to do. So I had her class yesterday at like 7 a.m. and I was like, I don't mind like cutting my gym time short to go to her class, because yeah, I feel like I'm getting my money's worth. I feel like I'm getting a workout. Really enjoy her class. She just has good energy. I ended up going on Club Pilates Google, and I gave them a 5-star rating. At first it was a 1-star because the desk lady like got super smart with me and just was like just rude. So I ended up giving them a 1-star review, but then I ended up turning it around and giving them a 5-star, and I just like told them about the instructor I'm telling you guys about, and like how she's like great energy, super sweet, amazing, like just giving her flowers. Anyways, and then yesterday, you guys didn't catch, I went to Aritzia. I've never really shopped in Aritzia before, but like I've heard like things and like the clothes that they sell, and I just feel like, I don't know, they definitely do not cater to the petite girls. Like, I feel like I really struggle because, like I said in the last vlog, I'm trying to find like some like flowy pants that you could like dress up and down. You could dress up or dress down, and Aritzia had those pants, but like they were just too long. and they have like different like lengths, but like regular size length was just too long. The Staples truck is like right in front of me. The regular length was just way too long, but then when the lady brought me like a short length, it was just like showing my ankles, which is not cute. So I was like, yeah, you know, you can get them tailored. And I'm thinking, girl, as much money as these pants are, I am not buying these and then turning around and tailoring them. Like, you guys, in this price of these pants, you guys should be able to tailor them for me. Like, what's up, y'all? We are back from being in Starbucks, about to eat this protein bar. So this heat feels good. Like, I'm sitting in this car, the car's not on. Like, I like the heat. Yeah. I'm glad I only bought one of those because I would have been mad. I got a chai tea latte. It's cool. I feel like it's giving like fall vibes. I've never really tried chai tea, but it's giving fall vibes. That's more something you drink in the fall, not the spring. So I just sipped a little bit and threw it away. Because I was telling the lady I need something with less sugar. Because really I'm just buying something because I got to buy something to sit in here. So what's up, y'all? Today is Wednesday and we are about to make black seed oil. I think that's what it is. Anyway, it's like a pre-poo for your hair because we're going to be doing our hair today. So yeah, I'm excited to make it. We're going to go and make it downstairs. This is my first time, so I watched the video on TikTok, so hopefully it comes out right after watching this video. And we are going to pre-poo our hair and then jump in the shower, wash our hair, and go from there. Like this, I feel like this is gonna take some hours. All right, y'all, this is how it looks. I got some seeds in there, but whatever. I strained it out enough, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my hair. All right, we are all below dried. I still gotta straighten it, and that's like the longest part. This to blow dry my hair, and then I'm not gonna put anything else on it. That's what my hairstylists use. So yeah, y'all, I'm like excited, but then I'm not, to straighten my hair because I feel like that's gonna take me forever. But hopefully it takes me like an hour and a half at the most. I'm tired, I'm hungry, I'm all of the above. Like, I've literally just been doing this hair all day, it feels like. And I've also been recording a reel too. I posted my first reel yesterday, so if you guys, oh, and my first YouTube short, so you guys check that out. But yeah, I'll be back. All right, y'all, we are done. This is how it looks. I got my part. Hold on. I feel like the ends came out a little like fluffy for some reason, but otherwise it's cute. It'll do. Like, I feel like I'm out of that hair depression. So anyways, I'm about to go eat and lay down because I feel like I done just worked an 8-hour shift. So I'll catch y'all in a minute. Good morning, y'all. As much lip gloss as I have around here, I can never find it when I need it. Today is Thursday. To gym this morning. It was arm day. Didn't have any caffeine. Didn't have no Celsius. Didn't have no energy drink. Nothing. And I'm starting to feel it. And the reason why I didn't do that was because I wasn't trying to sweat. So like a light arm day, walked on the treadmill, did some abs. Like I was not trying to sweat. Was not trying to sweat out my hard work. So yeah. I found it though. Anyways, on the agenda for today is getting a car wash. My car is very dingy. Okay. And then I want to get a pedicure. These are all things because the sun is out. And then I also want to go to Barnes & Noble. I just like to look around and look at their books and stuff. So the two car washes that were close to my house are both closed. I'm thinking you guys are missing out on so much money this week because the sun's been out all week. And then the next one, the third one that's closest to my house is like a do-it-yourself car wash, and I'm definitely not washing my own car. Absolutely not. If I had some help, maybe, but no. I'm not washing my own car. No, ma'am. So we're gonna go get our pedicure. I'll do what he said, she said. Sleep on in a bed like we like. Why do I put up with the game? I keep thinking that you changed. Why? I'm supposed to miss you every night. How you left me standing in the rain? How you gonna forget all the things we did back then? I was broke. I'm the bitch he bragged on. You the one he passed off.